Recording in progress.
Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Annisa Yuliana. Okay, in this Zoom, I will explain material about construction integration theory, the structure building framework, the event indexing model, cohesion, coherence in discourse encoding in memory, the neural basis of discourse comprehension. The first is construction integration theory. The construction integration model is a theory of discourse comprehension which is being used as a foundation for a new integrated intelligent architecture. It is a hybrid model containing both symbolic and connectionist competence. The next is the structure building framework. The structure building framework is a theory of discourse processing that has influenced research for the past 2 decades. Like the construction integration account, the structure building framework seeks to explain how comprehenders build mental representation of extensive discourse. But Wilkins' theory is largely restricted to spoken and written text. Morton and Gernsback's theory can be applied to the comprehension of both verbal and non-verbal materials like picture story, and Wilkins' account explains discourse comprehension as being the product of spatial purpose discourse comprehension mechanisms. The structure building framework appeals to general purpose cognitive mechanisms to explain how discourse is interpreted and remembered. The next is the event indexing model. The event indexing model is first and foremost a theory about how people build situation model from narrative text. According to EAM, the purpose of the discourse comprehension system is to understand the goals and action of protagonists and events that unfold in the real world of some fictional world. The represent the story elements, five core aspects of story are tracked, and each event in the story is indexed or tagged according to each of the five core features. The time frame over which the event occurs, time, the characters that are involved in the event protagonist, the causal connection of the current event, the preceding and following events causation, and spelling location where the event occurs, space, and how the event relates to a protagonist's goals, motivation. The next is cohesion, and coherence in discourse, encoding, and memory. The causal connection of the current event to preceding and following events cohesion. Cohesion is one factor that can contribute to textual coherence, the notion that different parts of a text fit together somehow. If we ask people to judge whether the preceding paragraph is coherent, most of them would say it's pretty incoherent. This is even so its proposition in the paragraph can be linked to the preceding proposition because of argument overlap. According to construction integration theory, this paragraph should be read as highly coherent, but it patently is not. Okay, the last is the neural basis of discourse comprehension. In particular, the advent of brain imaging technique like PAT and fMRI has allowed research to investigate the links between brain activity and text property in new ways. And this has led to new insight about how the brain is organized to process discourse. Language science have now for a long time not more coherent text producer product different brain with activity the less coherent text. In lack of this result, it makes more sense to view inferencing and coherence as the outcome of a collaborative process between widely dispersed networks in both hemispheres of the brain. Different being function that are carried out a specific location in the brain. Cooperberg's study also illustrate how quickly brainly imaging technique and experimental design have a progress. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.